Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Let's say about Rome. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're new. We're very close to getting to 1,000 subscribers. So please make sure you drop a like on the video and subscribe. League is about to restart again. This weekend's round of fixtures is about calf. So what we do, we talk about league. We talk about the winners, who we think will be winners, and who we think will be failures this weekend. But before we go any further, people, make sure again drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right. So the first round of games, that will be on Friday. This coming Friday, and the first round of games will be West Ham versus Brentford, and that's at 2:45. And then you have a 3 o'clock game with Liverpool and Leicester. No, we know we talk about the six pack every weekend. So of course, Liverpool will be a part of that that 6 pack. The thing is though, Leicester City has been shit all season. They've been shit, and they're running a valid risk of being relegated, a very big risk of being relegated. They need to get their games together, okay? Very much so. And if they need to perform and perform well. They need to perform and perform well, which means that they need to put up a game against Liverpool. Now, Gakpo has signed for Liverpool, but he hasn't played. He hasn't been registered yet because it starts at the beginning of the month. Tomorrow is not the end of. Tomorrow is the end of December. So next week before he can play. But I'm hoping that Leicester can pull off a victory tomorrow. Kickstart your season, Leicester. Kickstart your damn season, fam. Please, give me a one love. Give me a one love. Damn. But yeah, to me, honestly, I feel like Liverpool will win. I feel like Liverpool will win without a shadow of a doubt. Liverpool will win it. I probably still love to. Saturday run of games is going to be difficult. I think, with the string of games that's going on this Saturday, it should be fun. First game first game on Saturday will be Manchester United and Wolverhampton Wanderers. Wolves. I don't know what to tell you about Wolves. It's been perennially 1-1, 1-1, or them beating us 1-0. It's always, and we haven't had 3 wins in a row in the Premier League against Wolves. This will be the third game that we're playing them and we'll probably win. And I can't tell you what to think about Wolves. They'll be playing bad the whole season, and then as soon as them come up against Manchester United, both it's just them just drop everything and start playing like the world beaters. But then again, I sense a different theme when it comes to Ten Hag's Manchester United and every other team since Sir Alex Ferguson leave. So I do think that with this team, with the mentality that they have, with the players that they have within that team, I think they can pull it off. So I'm going 2-0, but it's going to be a tough game. It's definitely going to be a tough game. Manchester City and Everton, no questions here. 3-0 Manchester City. Erling Haaland. Cheat code. They should have never brought him to Manchester City. Sad. Very sad. Leeds versus Newcastle. Newcastle versus Leeds. Newcastle is still gonna just walk over Leeds tomorrow. They're just gonna walk over Leeds tomorrow. That's the sad part because they're gonna continue to win. I can't see them winning unless they find if I can't see them winning unless they go up against one of the big sides. Newcastle will beat them without a shadow of a doubt. 3-0. No doubt there. Arsenal and Brighton. This can be a tricky one for Arsenal. This can be a very tricky one for Arsenal. And this is going to be a tricky game, to be honest with you, because Arsenal hold on to the ball a lot. Brighton love hold on to the ball a lot, and Brighton is very tricky. Very, very tricky. Very tricky. It's going to be tough. I'm thinking Brighton will have 2-0 win. At home, I think Arsenal will get them embarrassed tomorrow on Saturday. You tell me what you think. Because I don't think Arsenal will survive without Gabriel Jesus. No, don't get me wrong. They're playing very well so far and they're leading the league and good job on that. But remember, Gabriel Jesus is basically the glue that stick Arsenal together. The players that come in, connect, and make players run onto them, run away from them, can beat a man, turn, connect to Saka, connect to Martinelli, connect to the midfield. He does a very good job at that. Nketiah is not that. Nketiah is not that. And I know they played West Ham last game, and West Ham is a shadow of themselves. But I do think that this Brighton team can pull something out against Arsenal. You tell me what you think. I definitely think that Brighton can win it against Arsenal, but we'll see. We definitely will see. Because what I've been saying since day one, and I continue to say it over and over again, you have to remember in the people, Arsenal does not have a squad. They have a starting 11, but they don't have a squad. Anyone missing out of that starting 11, and they're going to be in trouble. Remember that. Tottenham, Aston Villa. I can't say Aston Villa beating Tottenham. I know Tottenham has been playing horrible this season, but they always have the ability to run out and play a bad night first half, come back night second half, boom, get 2 goals, get 3 goals, get our results. So I don't think Aston Villa can get past them, but who knows? Chelsea versus Nottingham Forest. Nottingham Forest at home, but it's Chelsea. Chelsea have a 3-0 win last game, 3-1 win. I think it's going to be easy for Chelsea. Full love. So I think anyway. But you tell me what you guys think. Remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Bless yourself, take care of yourself. Manaz.